Is Outlook crashing, freezing, or showing data file errors again? Using old or corrupted Outlook data files can slow everything down. But the good news is you can fix it fast and prevent it from happening again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to quickly fix Outlook data file errors. Let's jump in. Method 1. Rebuild the OST file. If your email account is an Exchange, Microsoft 365 or IMAP account, Outlook maintains a synchronized local copy in an offline storage table or OST file. The quickest fix for this type of file is to rename or delete the existing OST file, forcing Outlook to create a new one and resynchronize all data from the mail server. This ensures you have the most current data. Close Outlook completely and verify no Outlook processes are running in Task Manager. To do that, open Task Manager, then look for any Outlook processes, then select the End Task option. Once done, locate the OST file by navigating to c:/users/username/appdata/local/Microsoft/Outlook. Here, you should find the OST file with .ost extension. You can rename the file like add.old to the end of the file name. Do not delete it immediately until you verify the new file is working correctly. In case you need to recover any items not yet synced to the server, restart Outlook. A new OST file will automatically be created and resynchronized with the server. If this doesn't work, then delete the file and then restart Outlook and check. Method 2. Use the inbox repair tool for PST files. For a personal storage table or PST file, you can use Microsoft's built-in inbox repair tool to diagnose and fix error. Close Outlook and all mail-enabled applications. Locate the scanpst.exe file. The location varies by Outlook version. Common locations include Outlook 2016,365,c:/program files/Microsoft Office/root/Office 16. Outlook 2013:c:/program files/Microsoft Office/root/Office 15. Run the tool. Double-click scanpst.exe to open it. Select the file. Click Browse to select the corrupt PST file you need to scan. Start the scan by clicking Start. If the tool finds errors, click Repair to begin the fix. The tool will create a backup file by default during the process. Restart Outlook once the repair is complete and check if the issue is resolved. You may need to run the tool several times for a full repair. Method 3. Repair Office. The next thing you can do is repair Office. Open Settings, then select Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on the three dots menu next to the Microsoft Office. Select Advanced Options, then Repair. Or you can select Modify, then Run, then Quick Repair. If still broken, select Online Repair. Method 4. Clear Outlook cache. The next thing you can do is clear Outlook cache. Ensure Outlook and any related apps are fully closed. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog. Type %localappdata %/Microsoft/Outlook and press Enter. Double-click on the Roam cache folder. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then select right-click and choose Delete or press the Delete key. Reopen Outlook and it will rebuild the cache. Method 5. Create a new Outlook profile. The next thing you can do is create a new Outlook profile. Here is how to do that. Open Control Panel, then select Mail. Then click on Show Profile and then Create a new profile. Add a profile name and provide other details. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. And that's it. You now know how to fix Outlook data file errors fast and why it's time to stop using outdated copies. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more quick and reliable tech solutions. Have a question or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. Your insight could help someone else. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.